Hey guys, this is Fallenblood, and in this video we're going to look how can make this kind of hands in Blender. They are super easy to make and look very awesome. So let's get started. So first thing, we need to add a plane and subdivide it by 30 or 40 and add a displacement modifier, and then textures, just choose Verconi or cloud and decrease the size and decrease the strength also, so it look little bit kind of hilly, and then also say it's smooth if you want. Then I'm going to import a hand. This hand I taken from Mixmo and cut his arm. Basically this is a zombie arm and I cut his hand. You can do it on a separate Blender file, cut his file and then import it as here. Then we need to place this arm in the correct position. You can also adjust the camera and arm position according to your needs. After adjusting camera and hand position, make the ground complete black and word also a black. Then add a area light behind the arm, and you can play around with the intensity and color if you want for now, or you can do it later too. Then go to your shader nodes and choose the word node, and in the word node add a volume scatter and connect it to the volume. Now you can do some foggy things. You can play around with the area light to adjust the color of the fog and also with intensity. And I'm going to drag the hand near the area light and also readjust the position of the camera so it look clear. I can see the hand clearly. Then in UV settings, enable the bloom, ambient occlusion, in color management, make the look high contrast, set the gamma exposure at your need, and make sure enable the volumetric lights and volumetric shadows. They will going to make the huge difference, believe me. You can also set the surface color of your hands if you want. This is not necessary after all. And next thing, I'm going to make things look cooler by dragging the light up and down. As you see, as it drag down, things become really cool. So I'm going to put it down. Make so light I'm talking about. Now from this point, I'm going to add a new area light. Just duplicate the first one and place it behind the camera and make sure it faces the direction of the hand, and decrease the intensity, and you can just play on the values of the color. You can try to make two opposite colors or have the same color with two different saturations. You can say anything you like, and are you going to play on with different colors, so find you which one color fit best for you. And from this point is your hand is now ready for the render. I really recommend to just play around the values for the more longer time, then you will find desired results. You can also add a little bit of compositing. You can look on my compositing what I did. I just added some rays and some contrast. You can take a screenshot if you want. So that's it for this video, and you can see by just altering few colors and gamma exposure, just doing some tweaking values, I can add different kind of colors and make the scene more amazing. So that's it for this video. I'm going to meet you next video, and till then bye. I hope you like those hands. So bye, thanks for watching.